Hello children, welcome to the EVS online class. Hope you all are safe at home. We have completed lesson 4, conserving our environment. Hope you all have gone to the textbook and studied the notes thoroughly. So today let's do the text exercises. Take your textbook, pencil and eraser and get ready. Open your textbook, page number 25. There you can see get started. 4 pictures are there and there is a question. How are the things shown in the picture useful in saving the environment? First picture is of a cloth bag. How is it useful for the environment? Yes, using a cloth bag helps to avoid plastic bags and thus helps to save the environment from pollution. Then second one is a bicycle. Using a bicycle for traveling short distances helps us save petrol and prevent air pollution. Third one is the picture of a windmill. Windmills generate electricity using wind power. This reduces the use of fuels to generate electricity and thus reduces pollution. Fourth one is an LED bulb. Using LED bulb helps us save electricity. Then in the next page there is a question. How will global warming result in the flooding of coastal areas? We have studied about global warming. What is global warming? The increase in the temperature around the world. So global warming can cause the ice at the North Pole and South Pole and on the mountains to melt. This will result in the rise of sea levels and in the flooding of coastal areas. You can see the answer just above the question. So you can mark there itself. Then on page number 30, there is a question. How can we reuse water? How can we reuse water? We have studied that. Yes, we can reuse the water used for washing clothes in toilets and also reuse the water used for washing vegetables to water the plants. There is one more question. How is composting useful for the environment? How? Composting reduces the amount of waste generated. It also helps us to make the soil more fertile. Thus it is useful to the environment. Now let's go to the exercises. Section A. Choose the correct options. First question. Which of these is caused by the burning of fuels? What is the answer? Yes, air pollution. Second question. Which of these does the ozone layer protect us from? The answer is ultraviolet rays. Third question. Which of these can be caused by noise pollution? 4 options are there. Jaundice, high blood pressure, lung damage, problems in breathing. The answer is high blood pressure. Then in the next 4th question. Which of these happens when trees are cut? Answer is supply of oxygen in the air reduces. 5th one. Which of these denote the 4 R's? Which are the 4 R's? Yes, refuse, reduce, reuse and recycle. Then section B. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Pollution is the release of harmful substances called pollutants into the environment. Second question. Drinking polluted water can cause dysentery, jaundice and typhoid. Third question. Too much dash used to grow more crops can pollute the soil. What is the answer? Yes, too much chemicals. Fourth question. According to the World Wildlife Fund, forest area equal to 27 football fields is lost to deforestation every minute. Fifth question. Dash the waste at home will help reduce the amount of garbage generated. Answer is composting. Composting the waste at home will help reduce the amount of garbage generated. Then next section is write T for true or F for false. First question. The temperature on the earth can remain at comfortable levels without the greenhouse gases. True or false? It is false. Without greenhouse gases, the temperature cannot remain at comfortable levels. Second question. Global warming will eventually result in the rise of sea level. That is true. Third question. Plastics pollute the soil by remaining in it for hundreds of years. That is true. Fourth question. People living near airports are affected by air pollution. That is false. They are affected by noise pollution. Fifth question. Wind and solar energy also pollute the environment. That is also false. Then section D, name the following. The main kinds of pollution. Which are the main kinds of pollution? Yes, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. Second question. Two things that cause water pollution. Answer is waste from industries and farms, sewage from homes and hospitals. Third question. Some diseases caused by drinking polluted water. Dysentery, jaundice, typhoid. Fourth question. 4 solid waste that cause soil pollution. Plastic bottles, glass bottles, rubber tubes, cans, tires, etc. Then in the next page, you can see think and answer. There's a question. How will using public transport help save the environment? How the use of public transport save the environment? Using public transport like local trains, metro trains and buses carry more number of people in a single trip than vehicles like cars, auto rickshaws and motorbikes do. Use of public transport helps to carry more number of people in a single trip. So when more people use public transport, there will be fewer vehicles like cars on the road. Due to this, the amount of smoke from vehicles will reduce and thus air pollution is decreased. And also with fewer vehicles on the road, the use of fuels like petrol and diesel will be reduced. Thus using public transport helps to save the environment. Then there is an activity. You have to do the activity. That is to design a poster highlighting the different ways in which each of us can help save the earth from further damage. You may refer to the poster given here for ideas. So in this lesson we have discussed about the different kinds of pollution that damages the environment and also the different ways to save the environment. So you have to make a poster highlighting the different methods in which we can save the earth. So all of you make beautiful posters and file it with you. Okay. Hope you all have done the text exercises properly. So dear children, study well. Don't dump the portions. Every day you should read the textbook and study the notes. After watching the lecture videos, you read the topic in the textbook and also study the notes from that part. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to study. So don't dump your portions. Every day you should study the topics. So let's meet in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you.